Unlock a seamless way to send money globally right from your wallet with Xoom and your credit card. First, head over to Xoom.com or open your Xoom app. You'll see a prominent Send Money button. Click or tap it to begin. Next, choose the country you want to send money to and enter the exact amount you wish to transfer. Xoom will immediately show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees for that transaction. On the payment options screen, select Credit Card. As your preferred method, this allows you to leverage your credit card's benefits for your transfer. Now, you'll need to enter your credit card details. This includes your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. You'll also be asked to provide your billing address, which must match the address associated with your credit card. For your security, Xoom employs robust measures. You might be prompted for additional verification, such as a one-time password sent to your phone or email, or through your credit card issuer's verification process. This ensures only you can authorize the transaction. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details on the confirmation page. Check the recipient's information, the amount being sent, the exchange rate, and the total cost including fees. Once you're satisfied, click Send Money or the equivalent button. You'll receive a confirmation message on screen. Along with a transaction ID, you'll also get an email with all the details. Your money is now on its way, sent securely and conveniently using your credit card.